Jay Clark here with Dunlop. I'll show you guys how we use tires here at Dunlop. Swap a tire and try to save you guys some time and hassle while you do it. First we take the valve stem out of the tire. Take the bore out. And the tool I'm using, you can get at any auto shop. Napa, AutoZone, something like this. Works really well. We loosen up the rim lock. I loosen the nut all the way to the very end. And I start with the sprocket side up on a stand. Start knocking the tire off the bead. Now we're all the way off, and I'll flip it over. Do the same to the other side. Now I've got the disc side towards me. I'll start just about a quarter of the wheel away from the rim lock. Get my first bite. And the tire spoons I use are from Motion Pro. And big help. It's nice to have 3. You don't have to have 3, but it makes it a little easier. Then I take bites about 2 inches apart until you get over halfway. Then you can take them a little bit bigger. And you're going in just a little bit. Now right here, I'll pull the tube out. And I like to put the valve core back in so I don't forget. So now to take the tire off, a lot of people do it differently, but what we do is we just flip it over and just like you did on the other side. Now with a stand like this, it makes it real nice here. Just knock the tire off. And then you got your old tire on. I like to inspect, make sure nothing's no spoke nipples are sticking through or anything, and we're ready to go. New tire, we'll start by dropping a little bit of baby powder in there. I've already done a little bit in this one. Baby powder will help keep the tube from bonding to the tire. Help reduce in pinch flats as well. So there is a purpose, and it does help actually make it a little easier to work with too. Now we'll put a little bit of air in. Just enough to keep pressure on the tube. This is important. I got some tire paste here. A lot of people use Windex and soap and all kinds of things. We get a tire paste, it's an industrial tire paste. So I put the valve stem in the rim first. I'll put the nut pretty far down. And I can get the tire, I'm about 3/4 of the way on right now. Pretty easy. Just one rim lock. Start knocking the tire on. One little bite here by the rim lock. Now, this is the tricky part. So the rim lock is still exposed. What we do here is just walk it on. As I'm holding it, I push the rim lock up. I'll put some more tire paste on here. Then I like to start right next to the valve stem. And this is a Bead Buddy. It's also available from Motion Pro. Motion Pro should be paying me, I guess, to do this deal, but they don't. So Motion Pro has that Bead Buddy. Keep that there. That just keeps it so you only have to use one tire iron to finish up the tire. I hold the rim lock down when I get to there. As I'm working, I'm keeping the tire down off the bead as I work my way around the tire. I'm taking like 1.5 inch, 2 inch bites. Now it gets to the end here, it's easier just to rather than take another bite, just push it on. Then I come over here, pull my bead buddy out, and I air it up. First thing I do, once I air it up, I'm watching the bead to make sure that it pops on. And right away, first thing you do is flip it over and check the other side, because inevitably the other side hasn't popped on. So now we're good, both sides are on. First thing you do is tighten the rim lock to make sure that there's nothing caught in there before you check tire pressure. Then check tire pressure. We usually run about 13. A good rule of thumb is 13 in the rear and 12 or so in the front for most motocross applications. You know, Supercross, they'll run a lot lower pressure, but they're running hard pack tires. But for most motocross applications, 12 in the front, 13 in the rear is going to get you in the ballpark where you need to be. So now I'll pull off this nut. This is a Honda rim, so it's got this nice rubber grommet from Honda. So we'll put that back on. And we put our cap back on. And that is it. One thing I will show you, nice little bonus feature today, we're going to show how Dunlop puts the tire stickers on.
Sweet.
Well, these tire stickers, I think you can actually get these from Parts Unlimited. Everybody always asks me, where do you get the tires with the sticker already on? Well, we don't sell them tires with those on. They're actually stickers, and it's a really cool sticker. Just use some contact cleaner, clear off the tire, and then I pull off the little nipples in that one little area. And once you get one of these tire stickers, we peel it from the P side, a little easier, just from doing hundreds of these. And you put it down in the same arch, and you rub it on. You pull it off, and it becomes one with the tire. And that is it. So you do the same thing to the other side, and you got yourself a trick-looking factory Dunlop tire.